Good morning, guys. I hope we're all sparkly. Today we're going to talk about testosterone and personal responsibility. Now, it's safe to say that low testosterone robs you of your drive, your determination, your motivation to succeed, to move forwards. You do not see the reward for your effort. So what's the point? Well, we should always strive to improve, to be better. Every day is a new opportunity to achieve the goal. What is the goal? That's for you to decide. Now, we need a sense of perspective. When you've got low testosterone, that is robbed from you. Now, we talk about glass half empty, glass half full. With low testosterone, things always seem like it's glass half empty. With high testosterone, things are always glass half full. Isn't that wonderful? Yes and no. If consciousness is your subjective appreciation of subtle changes in your physiology, if you've got high testosterone and high dopamine, the pleasure chemical, surely that's wonderful. Well, it's not, is it? Now, I like to talk to my guys and give them a sense of perspective and reality when they start testosterone replacement therapy. When am I going to see the benefits, the effects of healthy hormone levels? Well, testosterone is a foundation hormone. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It gives you the ability to achieve the reward hormones. It doesn't do it for you. You have to get up out of bed and earn your reward. Now, the glass half empty, glass half full discussion. Normal testosterone levels gives you the ability to see that glass as half empty or half full. That's what this is about. This is about having the ability to make effective choices that serve in your best interest. Now, again, we've all made mistakes repeatedly. But we should learn from our mistakes. And if you don't learn from your mistakes, you are foolish. I'm foolish. But the only person I have got to blame for the situation that I'm in is, guess who? Me. I've got myself into this situation. Is it a bad situation? Is it a good situation? It's the situation. So what am I going to do? I'm going to make a conscious decision to be better than I was yesterday. I'm going to set goals. I'm going to achieve those goals. I'm going to set more goals with the ultimate aim of enjoying this journey, because there is no destination. My life's ambition is to race at Le Mans. I want to be a gentleman driver. Now, will it ever happen? Unlikely. However, I will do my very best to achieve that goal. As Vince Lombardi said, I'm going to ruin this quote: in the pursuit of perfection, you may achieve excellence. I probably have ruined that quote, but hopefully you get what I mean. If you continue to strive to be better, to improve, this will work for you, not against you. So with low testosterone, you're robbed of that ability. With normal testosterone, it doesn't give it to you. It allows you to achieve the reward if you earn it. Now, we live in a society where we are entitled to everything. One of the major flaws of the NHS is we believe we're entitled to a cure. The fundamental principle of the NHS was need, in a time when people were really dying. On the streets, there was absolute chaos. So we now live in a very safe, healthy world, and we all want to be optimized. This principle of cure versus foundation is distorted. Now, we talk about the importance of lifestyle, diet and exercise, but it's all very flippant, isn't it? I still want to go to the doctor for him to give me the tablet that's going to cure my diabetes. However, what's going to actually cure your type 2 diabetes? Putting the effort into your lifestyle, your diet and your training. Oh, but I've got risk factors for type 2 diabetes. So poor me, poor me, poor me. That means you have to work twice as hard as somebody who does not have risk factors for type 2 diabetes. Sorry, I do not care about your excuse. Because who does it serve? No one. Self-pity? Who cares? What do you want to achieve? Ultimately, it's yours to grab. It might be harder for you. It's up to you, I don't care. So you have to understand that life is tough. You need to have a sense of perspective that you are supposed to earn your reward. And testosterone should give you that ability. My job is difficult because I have to give you a sense of perspective and realism that is lost in a very superficial, overstimulated world where we believe that we're entitled to stuff when we need to earn it. It's a fundamental flaw of society. Get the foundations, then strive for more. But I want the reward. Earn it. Incredibly important. Well, I've harped on now for 8 minutes. The gym is calling. I'm gonna earn my reward.